Alright, here we are again in that old magazine. The one I found in my auction box. That of course lost its cover and its back. But on the side it says Mad Super Special number 11. It's a cute little magazine. It's got a few interesting things in it. So I thought I'd bring you another one that I found a little interesting. Okay. Okay. As you drive through a clean, modern, manicure, safe suburb today, it's hard to imagine not talking about French poodle type dogs. We're talking about plain old that our ancestors had to cope with wild, vicious animals on a very small ground. No mud type dogs. Yap back in those before leash law days. Family dogs. We're not talking about wolves, grizzly bears. We're talking about dogs, and we've allowed to run loose, creating all kinds of havoc, and you'll soon see what Mad takes a nostalgic look at dogs. Look at that. No kid ever grew up without being bitten at least once by a mean dog. That's true. Know that from experience. No flower garden or vegetable patch was ever safe. No newly planted tree or shrub was ever safe either. Oh God. The new ones. Oops, 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 oops. Nobody ever ran for a touchdown unless he was faster than the dog. That's a good one, huh? Remember playing and the dog's loose and he thinks it's time to play too? No neighborhood cat ever got fat and lazy. That's true. And the postman, milkman, delivery boy were kept in pretty good shape too. No one ever got to read the Sunday paper after 9 a.m. Aha! Not a single drop of an ice cream cone was ever wasted. Oh, censored. You learn about this in biology class anyway. No sex education in school was necessary. Nobody ever got less than 3 bases on a ball hit to wherever a dog was waiting. No little kid who owned a big dog ever lost a fight. Great partners. No kid ever had to play alone when his friends were mad at him. Ah, so nice. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend. We'll bring you some more from this book. And check out the description in this video, because there's 3 books up there for sale that I've written myself. 2 are true stories, and 1 is a craft book for teachers, groups, or organizations for K through 6. Bye-bye now. Grab that ISBN. Go get yourself a good read.